World can be a tricky place, it's true, so try these hacks, they'll see you through. Hey, you know, I am always looking for ways to make life a little easier. Do you have any go to life hacks? Prepare to have your mind blown. These life hacks are so good, you'll wonder why you have not been paid attention to them before. Number 1, wet toothbrush habit. Psst. Hey, you with the wet toothbrush habit. Wanna know a secret? The toothpaste companies don't want you to know this. Don't wet your toothbrush after applying toothpaste. It is said that water reduces toothpaste superpowers. So don't wash away some of the toothpaste magic before you brush your teeth. 2. Flavored memory. Some people pop in a particular flavored chewing gum while studying and then chew on the same stuff during the exam. Is that a secret? It seems so. The flavor is the key to unlock your memory. It's as if your brain says, ah, yes, the bubblegum scent. Back to factorization. This weird trick is rumored to boost recall, making you a walking, talking, chewing library of information. Really? No guarantees, of course, but at the very least, you'll have fresh breath while solving factorization tests. 3. Phone on airplane mode. Studies have shown that putting a phone on airplane mode can increase charging speed by up to 25% to 30%. Normally, your phone is constantly doing many things. It's looking for Wi Fi, connecting to cellular networks, checking for messages, running apps in the background, and even keeping the screen lit. All these things use energy from the battery. When you charge your mobile, the charger sends electricity to refill your battery. Airplane mode is like telling your phone to take a nap. It turns off most of the things that use a lot of power. So, this significantly reduces power consumption, leading to increased efficiency and faster charging times. 4. LED bulbs attract less insects. LED generate minimal heat and they emit very little ultraviolet light. Traditional incandescent or halogen bulbs, on the other hand, generate a lot of heat and UV light, so they attract many insects. When you touch LED bulbs, they hardly get hot, while old bulbs get very hot. 5. Japanese restaurant. So you have been invited to a Japanese restaurant to enjoy a delicious meal. Your chopsticks are in your hand, but don't rub them together. It's a harmless gesture, but in Japanese culture, rubbing chopsticks is considered very rude, especially to the chef. Your actions will imply that the chopsticks are cheap and the restaurant and the effort put in the meal is not up to the mark. So be polite and show your appreciation. Don't rub the sticks together. Instead, enjoy your delicious Japanese meal. 6. Flattened pillow. Pillows often absorb moisture from our bodies, sweat, and even the air. This moisture flattens the stuffing. The sun's heat warms the pillow. The heat helps to evaporate the moisture trapped inside the pillow, which allows the stuffing to become fluffier. It's the same reason when a hot air balloon expands when you heat it up. The combination of moisture evaporation and air expansion makes the pillow feel less flattened, so it seems fuller and plumper. Bad sunburn. Apply aloe vera lotion. It's good, but applying aloe vera ice cubes are even better. A bad sunburn is bright red and painful, caused by sun's UV rays. These UV rays damage the cells in your skin. When you apply aloe vera lotion, it provides a cooling sensation, reduces inflammation, and prevents further dryness of the skin and peeling. But aloe vera ice cubes are better. One, it gives long lasting cooling effect. This is because ice draws the heat away from the skin more efficiently. 2. Aloe vera ice cubes reduce swelling and inflammation. And 3. It provides quicker pain relief from sunburn. 8. Hiccup cure. Imagine your diaphragm, that big muscle under your lungs that help you breathe. It is like a playful trampoline. Normally, it bounces up and down smoothly, allowing air to flow in and out. But sometimes it gets twitchy. A sudden involuntary spasm makes it jerk downwards, pulling air into your lungs with a sharp gulp. That's a hiccup. The little hic sound you hear is the rush of air hitting your vocal cords as the entrance to your windpipe snaps shut. It's like a door unexpectedly slamming shut in a gust of wind. When you forcefully try to hiccup, you are taking more control over the diaphragm and consciously telling your conscious mind to get your diaphragm back to normal. It's not a guaranteed fix, but sometimes it does help. 9. Stretch for only 5 minutes. Taking just 5 minutes to stretch before bed can make a real difference in how easily you fall asleep and how comfortably you rest. Think of your muscles like rubber bands that have been pulled tight all day from sitting, walking, or working. Stretching gently releases this tension. When you stretch, you're actually sending signals to your brain that it's time to relax, rest, and digest to calm down. Less tension in your muscles also means fewer aches and pains. So find a perfect, comfortable spot in your bed and drift off to sleep peacefully. 10. Painful pimple. Is your pimple too painful to pop? Put it under the hot water, not very hot water, for a few seconds. Warm water causes blood vessels to expand, which temporarily softens the skin. The sebum, that is oil, and pus softens, and it can easily drain out. But don't force a pimple to break if it's very hard. It will leave scars on your face. Use warm compresses or cloth dipped in hot water on it, or apply pimple patches. Or for spot treatment, benzoyl peroxide once a day. Tretinoin and adapalene are topical retinoids used to treat acne. It comes in gel or cream form. Use once a day before you go to bed. Apply sparingly. Don't go in sunlight. Life hacks, though small, can make a big difference in simplifying your day. Now it's your turn. Don't just read these and forget about them. Choose one life hack that you liked and try it out this week. Let us know in the comments how it goes. What small change can you make today to improve your life? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good